If you wanna make the shape of your pencil, then you can use this tool. By using this tool, you can select the specific area for your grass. He is cutting the grass and maintaining the grass of his lawn. If you wanna make the circle, then you can use this disc. You can see the function of this disc here. This is an amazing tool, and you will see that by using this, obviously you can cover the surface of your wire easily. This machine is being used for cleaning the side of the grass. If you have this drill, then you can drill everywhere and you can make the hole everywhere where you want.